Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix fingerprint sensor not working issue on any Samsung phone. Now, first of all, just clean the fingerprint sensor on your smartphone and make sure your fingers are clean from any dirt and your fingers are not wet. After that, just restart your smartphone and check if this fixes your issue. To do that, just open the control center, then tap on the power icon and select restart. As you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And if this did not fix your issue, just open the settings, then go to security and privacy. Then tap on screen lock and biometrics. Now just enter your lock screen PIN and select fingerprints. Now just remove your registered fingerprint. Just tap on it and select remove. Now just tap on add fingerprint and tap on continue. Now to register a fingerprint, just place your finger on the fingerprint sensor. In our case, our fingerprint sensor is on the power button, and move your finger around the fingerprint sensor without moving your finger off the sensor. Just like that. Now just check if this fixes your issue. And if this did not fix your issue, just go back and go to software updates. Now just check if there is any software update available. If there is any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. As you can see, our smartphone software is up to date. Now, if all these tips did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the fingerprint sensor on your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the fingerprint sensor not working issue on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.